E34 headlights are cheap and easy to buy, even new aftermarket, unlike early E31s which just bolt onto E24 frames. As you can see, the projector itself is very similar to stock E24. The main issue is the location of mounting tabs on the headlight frame in the E24, which is completely different, and would require extensive fabrication to make it work with E34 projectors. I bought complete new TYC headlights but decided to use just the mirrors and lenses as I wanted the OEM look. Old E34 mirrors that I bought were in pretty good condition, but there was a vast difference in the quality of the light beam in comparison to new ones. Renovation was much more expensive than just buying new complete lights. E24 has specific headlight frames which I did not want to modify as they are increasingly harder to get. Older models have metal, the CS2 has plastic ones. I wanted the frames intact so I could go back to stock whenever I want. I bought new headlight adjusters from Hella. These are perfect for this application. In order to move mounting points of the headlights in the frame, I made some brackets with pieces of hardware I had lying around. I cut them to shape and positioned the headlight horizontally. One of the point does not move when adjusting, so I used a bolt. This is how everything looks installed on the car. You cannot see the brackets when the grille is in place. Main problem is that the grille needs to be removed every time you need to adjust the headlights. You do not do it every day, so I can live with that. I powered the city light straight from the turn signal without cutting the harness. This is how everything looks. The lenses need to be polished, but I am happy with the outcome. Here you can see general view of the front with the grilles installed. You can clearly tell that the mirrors are in perfect shape as they reflect the light nicely. Lights do not sit perfectly flush with the grille as the mounting tabs on the E34 do not allow to recess them more, but it is barely noticeable. It is mostly visible if you compare the low beam to high beam, which is still stock E24. Still, I believe it is a very good upgrade and worth every penny. I really like the look of these lights, and finding OEM is very hard. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if this format works for you.